Question 17, Part A. Join all the pairs of numbers that add together to equal 1. First one is done for you. So we have 0.1 add 0.9. Well, that's kind of like money. 10p add 90p is a pound. So let's see if we can identify which ones would add together to give us a whole number. Now we have 0.11. It's almost like 11 pence. And if I decided to add those two together, 11 pence add 99 pence is £1.10. That doesn't work. Same thing would happen here. Whereas 11 pence add 89 pence would give us a full pound. 0.11 add 0.89 adds up very nicely to give us a whole number. Just to prove that, we've got space. 0.11 add 0.89. 1 add 9 is 10, so it's 0 and carry the 1. 1 add 8 is 9, add the other one is 10. Carry the 1 across, decimal point stays in the same place. Perfect. So how about 0.01? If we added that onto 0.09, all we'd end up with 0.1. What we're looking for is we want to add this hundredth to something that is missing a hundredth, which is the top value. 0.91. Again, if you added 91p to something that looks like 99.9p, you're going to end up with nearly £2. Whereas adding 9 pence onto it, or 0.09, is a very easy way to think about adding decimals, leaving only one left, a thousandth, onto something that is missing a thousandth. Part B. Now join all the pairs of numbers that multiply to equal 1. Now, sometimes questions like this don't always have an answer. They may just say find two that match. But this one says join all the pairs. So you've got to think about your multiplication with numbers and in particular decimals. So 0.5. 0.5 is the same as saying a half. So which number on the right can be halved to give you 1? Well, that's going to be 2. A half times 2 is 1. In a similar vein, 0.25, it's half of that, it's a quarter. So therefore, what number can be quartered to give you 1? Well, that's got to be 4. Each time this number is halved, the other number has to be doubled. Now 0.1. Now 0.1 is a tenth. It's in our tenths column and there's only one of them. So a tenth of 20 is 2, a tenth of 10 is 1. So if we multiplied these two together, 10 and 0.1, we'd end up with 1. In the same vein, if we half 0.1, we get 0.05, therefore we have to double the other number to give us 20.